Hi class, let's take a look at this problem. And we're looking at, well, another integration by parts in terms of tabular form. And let me actually rewrite it. So you're going to have the x, then the e to the negative 2x, so technically 1 and 0. Then negative e to the negative 2x divided by 2. And then a e to the negative 2x divided by 4 as we're integrating. And then I'm pairing them in this form. So let me write the actual answer before we plug in the actual values. So let me rewrite the whole thing. So the actual integral, in this case, from 0 to 1, x, whoops. So x e to the negative 2x dx can be expressed as a negative x e to the negative 2x divided by 2 plus a e to the negative 2x divided by 4 with our limits of integration from 0 to 1. So when we plug in the 1, we're going to get a negative 1 times e to the negative 2 divided by 2 plus an e to the negative 2 divided by 4 for the first term, minus plugging in the 0 will give us a 0 for the first term, but it's going to give us technically plus e to the 0 divided by 4. So we're getting, let me just get an LCD here, which is 4. So multiply times 2 and times 2. And for this portion, we're getting a negative 2e to the negative 2 divided by 4 plus an e to the negative 2 divided by 4 minus technically a 1/4 since e to the 0 is equal to 1. So in this case, we're looking at a negative e to the negative 2 divided by 4 minus 1/4. Hi class, let's take a look at this integral that has actually limits of integration, and technically it qualifies as evaluating it by tabular integration because of the x differentiating to 0 and the actual e to the negative 2x technically being an easy integral. So this is going to be a 1. This is negative e to the negative 2x divided by 2 for the first portion, then technically 0, and then e to the negative 2x divided by 4. We're going to do the following pairing, and then technically don't forget the signs, plus, minus. So as we rewrite the integral, we're looking at the integral from 0 to 1 of x e to the negative 2x dx. It's actually equal to a negative x e to the negative 2x divided by 2 minus a e to the negative 2x divided by 4. And let me just double check, minus evaluating it from 0 to 1. So plugging in the 1 is actually going to give us a negative 1/2 e to the negative 2 minus an e to the negative 2 divided by 4 minus and then when we evaluate the 0, the first term is going to cancel and we're just going to have a minus e to the 0 divided by 4. So we're looking at the following problem. Okay, so we're gonna need an LCD here, which is 2, so multiply times 2 and times 2. And this is gonna give us, well, this is gonna be a negative 2 minus 1 is gonna be a negative 3. So negative 3 e to the negative 2 divided by 4. And then minus and minus is going to give us a plus. This one should be 1/4. This is our exact answer. Let me plug it into the calculator so we can compare answers. I'm getting, this is approximately 0.14, 85 if you're rounding to 4 decimal places. And let me double check. Negative 3/4 e to the negative 2 plus 1/4. That would be our final answer for this one.